Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning and straightening up the house. I had worked all day, so I needed to get some things done. We celebrated my daughter's birthday a couple days ago, and we have a mess with balloons and party stuff all over the place and cake and all kinds of stuff. So I needed to get it all done and back to being all cleaned up, and I'm going to get as much done as I can before my family gets home for the evening and all the messes get made again. If you are new to my channel and you stopped by for the first time on this video, I just want to say hi. How are you doing? My name is Kelly. I'm a mom of two, and I also work full-time with my husband. We run our own business, so we're very busy, always going, and our house is always messy, and we've got things that we're always doing. So if you like cleaning and organizing and some home renovations and projects here and there, this is the channel that you should definitely subscribe to, because I have a ton of motivation videos coming very soon with some projects that we're doing here around the house. And I also have an outdoor video coming really soon that's going to be really cool. We're going to knock down a big tall tree in our backyard, so there's lots that's going to be taking place in the next couple of weeks, next month or so. So if you like this kind of stuff and you want to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube family.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay, so now I'm gonna clean my fan. I ran out of the little duster things that I normally use, so I just went ahead and put some cleaner on a towel and wiped all the blades. They were getting kind of fuzzy up there, so I wanted to get that taken care of before it got too bad. And then I wanted to clean the outside of my window, or the inside of my windows, just really fast. And then I'm gonna mop and vacuum in here, and then I'm gonna head to my hallway.
And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
So everything in here in the living room and in the kitchen still kind of looks plain. I had just taken all my Easter and spring decor down, and I'm not ready to decorate for summer yet, so I just left everything the way it is. So if it looks unfinished and you're thinking, why doesn't she have any decorations, what's going on, that's why. I did have it all fully decorated, but I just took everything down that I didn't want on my shelves and all my Easter stuff, packed it all away, and I just let it sit for a little bit before I start decorating for summer. I have a few more things that I needed to get for my hutch, because I'm going to do a kind of like a theme, like a summer kind of theme with my birdhouses. But in the meantime, I just wiped all my birdhouses down, wiped my hutch down, and I just placed them in there randomly. There is no like set order or anything like that. It's not really decorated. I just put them in there. So everything right now is just kind of like unfinished looking and not put together.
You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here
Okay, so now I'm moving on to my hallway. I'm only going to be vacuuming and mopping in the hallway. I'm not going to do any dusting or anything like that. I don't dust my picture frames every single time I clean. I do try to dust them once a week, and I had already done that the beginning of this week. So we're good on the frames and we're good on the hall vents. I just needed to vacuum and mop. I like to do that a lot because my dog comes in and out outside. We had some family over for my daughter's birthday, so I just wanted the floors to be clean and fresh and shiny looking again.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay?
So now moving on to the kitchen. This is the messiest room in the house. We have plates everywhere, cake everywhere, trash everywhere. We had a really good time. My daughter had a really good time, but I was so tired at the end of the night that I did not want to clean anything up, so I let it sit all day while I was at work. And as soon as I got home, I started to straighten up and get it all done. But this is literally how it was left from the day before, which is terrible. I don't normally do that, but I was just not having it the night before. So I am just going to get everything cleaned up, wiped down, dishes done. The little smokeless grill that you see right there, I really need to clean that and disinfect it. So I'm going to be showing you how I do that, and I'm going to put it away and just get everything wiped down, all the appliances, things like that, cleaning my sliding glass doors, vacuuming and mopping, and then we'll be done in here.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history.
Okay, so this did sit overnight, and normally I don't let it sit, but like I said, I was just not in the mood to get anything cleaned up. So I knew that I was going to use my Dawn Power Wash Spray. If you have not tried this stuff, you guys definitely need to try it because it is so good. It's amazing. It gets all the grease. It cuts all the grease, everything, and you don't have to really let it sit very much at all. But I let that sit, and then I sprayed it on the other piece. And then I went ahead and took my little scrubby brush that I get from Grove Collaborative, and I just, with a light trickle of the sink, I just start scrubbing, and it literally falls right off.
Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. I bet you think that I should calm down. And that I'm overthinking everything about you. And that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. We should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt. 'Cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
now I'm going to give this a really quick vacuum, and then I'm going to mop whenever I'm done, and then we are completely done here in the kitchen.
Test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you
Okay, so I had to include this in here because this is literally how my dog sleeps. He looks like he's broken most of the time whenever he's sleeping, but he's sound asleep. I started walking up on him and I can see that his eyes started opening, but he is literally the cutest thing.
down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I might be broken.
Okay, last room of the night. I am just going to be straightening up my bathroom. My bathroom is not bad at all, but there is some things on the countertop. I do want to wipe everything down and clean the toilet and do a quick vacuum, a quick mop, and make sure that the towels are in there. And that is basically it. I'm not going to do too much. I'm not going to go crazy. I literally worked all day and I was exhausted by this point, and I knew that my family is going to be walking through the door any minute. So I wanted to hurry up and get it done. It feels so much better now that my house is clean and I can go to bed with a nice clean house and wake up in the morning and not have any messes and have clean dishes.
Down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't.
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you some motivation to get your stuff done when you get off work, or if you're just getting home from a really busy day, whatever you're doing. I know sometimes I don't want to do it, but I just push myself because I know it needs to get done. So that's what I did this night, and I'm glad that I did because it feels so much better to go to bed knowing that your house is clean and everything is fresh and smells good. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you know every time that I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want to get to know.